Hey everybody, and welcome to the Marketing Blender Show. I am Dacia Coffey, and today we are talking about some amazing marketing campaigns. So many marketing and okay, cool. We're doing most of that. Mature that marketing approach. And so honestly, now we're done with the steak. Let's get to the sizzle. Okay, marketing. Fight the good fight, friends. So here's an example. It's so exciting. Okay, marketing, let your marketing team think. Okay, you know the things that you laugh at, right? And so fun. Okay, hot, so effective right now. Marketing helped to put some sparkle and some sizzle in that. So I don't know. All right. So wrong. So there's no marketing. So that is included. That is what marketing is about. Marketing. I think we know the answer. So, all right, friends, thank you so much. So shoot me your questions. You can also find my contact information on our website at themarketingblender.com. Onward and upward.